Hello, good morning to everybody. My name is Dr. A. Mehboob. Welcome to this video. Today, I am going to take some simple methods of wastewater treatment. So, the wastewater treatment is a very important one because the industries, effluents contain so many contaminations, so many inorganic, organic chemicals, and sewages, sludges, which is affected to the biota, plants and animals. And also the wastewater treatment is a very important role for usage toxic to good condition, toxic to good condition, or useful for again and again in the industries. So, characterization of wastewater. What is wastewater? It is nothing but very simple one. Wastewater is nothing but used water, already used there for various purpose. For example, in the domestic wastewaters and also the industrial wastewaters. They are classified industrial wastewater and domestic wastewater. Domestic wastewater consists of so many coliform bacteria and other some fungi and other protozoan organisms. What are the characteristics of wastewater? Number one is the wastewater contain large amount of the inorganic organic bacteria and also the contain various yeast and coliform bacteria. The wastewater are very important role for making lot of disturbances. Even though our government of India insists that the wastewater treatment is very important for each and every industries, even though the Ambur and Ranipet, Banibadi area consists of more number of leather industries. Even though if you see the Ambur, you can find the wastewater treatment, reverse osmotic treatment. This is a new methodology for wastewater treatment. Number one, what are the other physical conditions of the wastewater treatment? The color is entirely different. It contains so many bacteria and virus, or sometimes in the fungi, which color is compared with the normal water, it is entirely sometimes green or yellowish color. Then the wastewater contain various microbes. For example, coliform bacteria, which contain coliform bacteria, fecal staphylococcus, iron bacteria, slime form bacteria are available in the wastewater. So, we can treat or reuse, this is a methodology, reuse the wastewater methods or reuse the same water into the industries. So, the wastewater treatment methods are categorically primary, secondary and tertiary. There are three major types of wastewater treatment: primary, secondary, tertiary. It is a large process. When you see the primary wastewater treatment, it is a very simple methodology, physical treatment. We have to use so many physical methodology. Sedimentation tank. Sedimentation tank is one of the important methodology for physical treatment. It consists of so many biofuels and a sedimentation gap, which is a filter for the wastewater. Next one is biological wastewater treatment. It is called secondary wastewater treatment. It is useful for various the microbes and various methods like anaerobic digestion. This is a very big tank. It consists of various sprinkling and pipes, which contains of so many biofuels. The biofuels are zoological film. It consists of so many microbes. It activates into the wastewater is a anaerobic digestion. Anaerobic digestion, it is absence of oxygen. These anaerobic digestions are useful in the hazardous waste and other waste products. At the same time, in the household anaerobic process, our best examples are septic tank. Septic tank is the best example for the anaerobic process in the biological treatment. The septic tank is consists of large or big size, about 10 feet or 15 feet, according based on the building, based on the construction. The septic tank consists of the bricks, and also it uses for the pipes of this tank, sedimentation tanks, that is called sedimentation tank. The main tank, which consists of the various other pipeline, which this is the main area of septic tank. It constitute of various stones, and also sometimes using some microbes can be digested for the wastewater treatment of household. Next is aerobic process. It is a very important one. Nowadays it is latest for the wastewater treatment methodology. The aerobic methods are very simple methods are there. Only I can explain only 3 types. There are so many types are there. The oxygen pond, it is a open type of pond. The pond, open type of pond, it is connected to the pipe, disposal pipe, and the disposal pipe from the dairy industry. The dairy industry consists of the pond or stabilization pond. There are 2 ponds are there, primary pond and secondary pond. Sometimes based on the industry, first the disposal comes into the first A pond, and then it is passed into the second pond. It is a methodology for disposal wastewater treatment. It is a very important in the dairy wastewater treatment. Next, trickling filters. It is one of the interesting one. The pipe connecting to the trickling area, it consists of the pipes, about 2 or 3 pipes connected. It is rotated. There are rotation disc, rotation one. The pipes from the sewage or domestic waste or industrial waste pass into this pipe, and it can sprinkle and sprinkle, and it can be filtered by various level. This is called sprinkling methods are very important role in the trickling methods, trickling filters, and uses some biofuels and microbial fuels for consist of the trickling field methods in the wastewater treatment. This is called the aerobic treatment. Then activated sludge process, it is a very big one. It is activated sludge process is a very big one. It is a topic is a very big one. I want to give some steps, the methods, simple methods of wastewater treatment. I am not giving very broad lecture, because it is taking each and every steps is one video. So I am just give the very simple idea for the viewers. I am not giving very big idea, because if I want to show a big idea, I will tell about 20 minutes for this one chapter. So that's why I am constructed and give the very simple idea of what are the methods of wastewater treatment. Okay, the sludge, activated sludge is a very important wastewater treatment or tertiary wastewater treatment. It uses some aerobic methods and uses some microbes, and also the plaqueuls. What is plaqueuls? The sewages contain the large thickness, the thickness of sludges. For example, you can see the industry of leather industry. You can see the leather waste are same like plaqueuls. It should be digested, and it should be cut off, or it should be demolished. And what happened? Automatically, they are using some chlorine and fluorine methodology. The chemicals, they are adding some chemicals. For there are about 2 or 3 tanks. About 3 or 4 tanks are there, the pipes connected to the each and every tanks. Then finally it will go up to the other used water. So this is a very simple methodology for wastewater treatment. So what is the conclusion of this topic is our environment should be product. Our environment should be product by various methodology. The environmental biologists, particularly the biotechnology students, can take challenging for control so many water pollution. Already last class I explained to you air pollution, water pollution and noise pollution. But in the wastewater, hazardous wastewater is one of the important for effect of various health problem of that area of the industries. So that's why the Ministry of Government of Environmental Protection and Environmental Ministry and the Pollution Control Board insists that each and every industry should need wastewater treatment, because the wastewater is not only stagnant on the earth or on the area. There are so many biota, some plants and animals are living in that area. At the time the plants also affected. The small animals like protozoans, molluscans and fishes, even birds. Some birds are depending upon fish. The fish also intake of some waste the flag whales. But what happened? The food chain is connected to one organism or another. Automatically the food chain will collapse. Automatically the birds population have been decreased, endanger. Nowadays, even though I am very sorry to say that some birds are endangered in our country, not only country, in our world, because of so many X-rays, gamma rays and so many other environmental pollutions and environmental air pollutions and other rays, because we are using so many gauges, and also we are using some sophisticated refrigerator which produce the whole of ozone layer. So these are all the fundamental things which we need to protect our earth. It is our duty, it is our prime duty. Our earth, we should pray like a temple. We are not to disturbance our temples. We are all pray our temples, we give the respect to our temples. Like that, each and every student should respect our earth. Not only respect and clean our earth by the way of so many technological methods. That's why this video can help you for your betterment of your understanding of how to protect the environment and what are the other methods, other research in the focus. So as a biotechnology student, you should concentrate the wastewater treatment and the wastewater methodologies, and using so many microbes. The microbes are important role for some acidogenic microbes are there, methogenic microbes are there. You can add the microbes in the wastewater. You can product various other useful things like the greenhouse effect, greenhouse methods. So that is my request to all. So the wastewater treatment is important for environmental protection. Thank you one and all.